Hi beauties, it's Erica with the Beauty Buff and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy a channel full of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then please consider subscribing below. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Give this video a thumbs up and then comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed it. On this channel, we just like to relax and let loose, get away from the everyday grind. So if you will with me, take in a good deep breath, exhale, and let's get to this video. On today's video is going to be really exciting. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Alright beauty, so I'm pretty sure you know how the box comes from Fresh and File, but this is it. And you open it here. Gives you this thank you. This has like the receipt and all that good type of stuff in there. We want this back. You can sell it back. That just gives you more information on that. And then this is the item. I was gonna open it by myself, that's why it kind of looks like it. It did come looking a little bit better, but I was like, I'll just do it on a video. I'll do an unboxing. So this is what it is. And then, you know, the box just has like this type of stuff in there. It has a file. I'm pretty sure you knew it was a purse, but we'll get into that now. Alright beauty, so you know I couldn't go any further in this video without showing you the outfit of the day. So I'm feeling casually cute. So this shirt is from Zara. It's just like a blue and white pinstripe shirt. It has a bralette up under there. It's oversized. And then I just have these blue and white shorts from Zara as well. It's not a matching set. The stripes in the shorts have like white, blue, and black in there. And then I just put on my yellow Vitaste shoes from Amazon. They're, you know, the Lido dupe. And I'll put a card up in the right corner showing you where I got this from. And if you're interested in getting a pair, I have like several colors. I have like red, purple, yellow, and blue. But I thought this pop of yellow was really pretty. And then I just have on, let me zoom in, I have on these yellow, let me make it a little bit more bright. I have on these yellow studs from Betsy Johnson along with this necklace and bracelet. And then I just have on a Michael Kors watch. So those are my accessories. And I like that it's long in the back. It covers my butt, even though I have on the shorts and they're showing leg. And then I don't have as much arm out. It's very thin. It's still summer wear. Like even though it's long sleeves if you want it to. But like I have it, you know, pushed up, rolled up, along with some shorts. But I just thought this was like a really cute outfit. And then I just tied it up in the front because it buttons up. So I just tied it here. But I just thought this was really cute. What do you think about the yellow shoes with it? I did want to put on blue. Just, you know, wanted to switch it up. So I did do like a yellow shoe. So I think the outfit really came together along with the accessories. I just thought it was really cute. And so that's the outfit of the day. Alright, so it came in this box. And I'll do an up close of everything that's in here. But it came like this. And as I mentioned before, I have been watching High Low Luxe and she thought really highly of this purse. She said that she really loved it. So I went on there and I purchased the puzzle bag. And this is a size, I think this is a size small or maybe the mini. But it's in this like green color. And it's green all over. It's kind of like a dark teal. I won't say it's like a light teal or a true green, but it's kind of like a dark teal color. And then you have the handle here. You can see like it's just a little bit bigger than my hand, but you have it here, and you can open it up here and it opens inside. And then you have this strap that goes with it, so it's crossbody. And it does have silver accessory, and it does have the silver buckles, so it's that teal and silver color. It's not gold. And then on the inside you get the dust bag from Loewe. And then on the inside it's just this tan color, and you don't really have a pocket or anything. And I'll bring it up close. So it's just like this open area in there, and it zips here, and it has the handle, and that's the back, and then it has the strap like that. So this is my new puzzle bag, and I will show you everything that I can fit on the inside of it. So that's it. So I will show everything that I can fit on the inside. Oh, I love it. You can also carry it this way. And then you unzip it here, and then you can put your things in there. So I'm going to get a few things to put on the inside to see exactly what it holds. Okay, so I'm going to try to pack my bag. So this is my wallet. Of course you don't have to have a wallet as big as mine, but let me see if it fits down in there. Oh, it fits. Fits in there. Have some hand sanitizer. Put that in there. I don't think my lotion will fit, but you can always get a smaller thing of lotion. And then this is just my little bag, and I have like chapstick in there, and I can put the chapstick in there if I want to. And then this is my phone, and then I can put my phone in. Can I put my phone in? No. If I take the hand sanitizer out, then my phone fits. So that's that. And then you can also always get, like, I have that LV card case, so if I wanted to use the card case instead of this, you know, this wallet, I could do that. That would take up less room. So, and then I can put that in there. The lotion is actually can fit in there if I didn't have the wallet in there, and can carry it like that. So it is like a really decent size, and it carries a really good amount of things. So, and then I think, like I said, this is like the mini. It's, you know, for reference, this is my hand. And then this is how wide it is on the side. I think it's so cute. Alright, so here is the bag on. So you can see how it wears crossbody. I think it's cute. I like it. You can take it if you're like shopping. It's not really bulky. You don't have to worry about it being heavy or weighing your shoulders down. I think it would be really nice on a, you know, shopping day, or just when you're out and about and you don't want to have to fuss with, you know, anything in your hands, but you can hold it if you want to. It does have like that top handle on there, so that makes it more versatile. So But yeah, I like it. My new purse, my Loewe puzzle bag in like a teal green color. If I wanted to use the top handle, this is that way. It's so cute. I love it. Alright, beauty, so it's time to cut the cord. I do plan on keeping it. I like it, so I'm going to cut this off because I won't be sending it back. So like I said, ladies, this is a Loewe mini puzzle bag. It's calfskin leather. Very soft and plush. I don't see any scratches. It's in great condition. And I love the color. So I plan on getting some use out of this. Now I have to get some shoes. Alright, beauty, so that wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of my new puzzle bag. I plan on getting lots of use out of it. I do think this color can be worn in the fall and the spring, all year really, so it's just how you style it up. So please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Please subscribe. Well, I know more people watch my videos than subscribe, but if you will, please subscribe for me. And as always, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. Please remember to spend some time with God as well, and I hope to see you in my next video.